I will complete. This is our first slide. Second slide should be the objective for the lesson. Third slide is the content. The content for this chapter or this lesson, okay? The introduction, you have to start all the time by an introduction and finish by a conclusion. And you have to provide glossary and resources for this lesson. And topic 1 here, I can take the topic 1. Computer in the world. This is my topic 1. All you need is to paste inside here. And as I have said, only keep text only. Second topic will be how computer works or how computers work. As I have said, only keep text only. Now I have to type of computers. This is my topics. And topic 4 will be personal computers. Topic 5 will be computer software. Topic 6. The topic 6 will be the internet and the web. Okay, then conclusion, glossary, and resources. Then this is the slide number 3, guys. This is the slide number 3. Any question? Then we start by the title slide. This is unified by all the university. Title slide, objective slide, content slide for your lecture, for your lesson. Now, let's move to the introduction. Then the first slide should be introduction to your lesson. You will write here inside this box. Don't modify the dimension. Okay, you write inside the introduction. I will write inside the introduction for this lesson. For example, this is my, okay. This is my introduction, Control C and Control V. It's keep text only. And this is my introduction to your lecture 1. Then I will repeat slide number 1. This is the information you need to fill in, guys. Slide number 2, objectives. Slide number 3, content. Slide number 4 will be introduction. Slide number 5, it will be a subtitle. You will start by the titles now. Okay? What is the subtitles that I have here? I will come back to the first title and it will be computers in your world. This is the first subtitle and I will fill it here. Computers in your world. Okay? Now, as you can see, I have to modify, update this information here. Lecture number, title of the lecture. How to do this? The eLearning Deanship, they developed this template and they developed inside 2 master slides. Then I have to view the master slides now, and the slide master, from a view tab here you have the slide master. Click on it and you will get the lecture here. You will update the lecture number, and I will put lecture number 1. And what is the title of the lesson? Okay, then I will modify here the title of the lesson. You double click inside and you will take the title of the lesson from here. I will take, this is the title of my lesson. It will be Computer and Internet Basics, and I will change or update here the title of the lesson. I will come back to home page, home, and I will click on paste. Okay, this will update all the slide titles for the lesson 1, and I need also to update it for the subtitle here. It will be the same for the subtitle. Then we have 2 master slides to update. This is lecture 1, and I will double click and I will paste the same. It's Computer and Internet Basic for the lecture. Now I finished for the, okay, I will come back to view and close the slide master. View slide master, and I will close it. I finished. Now I will come back to normal slide. Slide master, I will close it. Now I close all the slide masters. Now if I come back now, as you can see now, all the slides, they have lecture 1 and the title of the lecture. The same here in the content, you have lecture 1 and the title of the lecture. Here, lecture 1, title of the lecture. Lecture 1, title. All the slides have been updated. Okay, all the slides. Once I can use only the master slides to do that, to update the title for the lecture. Any question? Any question? Can you do it, guys? Try to do it. Okay. Any question how to do this? Now let's complete. Let's complete. Now I finished slide number 1, slide number 2, slide number 3, slide number 4, slide number 5. Now you will put the same subtitle here, Computer on your Word. You will modify it and you will write about the computer and your Word. You can change the photo here. Okay, for example, it's not appropriate for my lecture here. I can change this image, for example, how to change the image from here, change picture from this device, and I can put a computer skills, for example, insert. You can adjust the image here. You can crop it, you can do all these things. This is for my image, new image. You can write here the text you need for this subtitle. What is the subtitle here? I will take this one, Computer in Your Word. And this is my subtitle. I will double click inside and paste it, Computer in Your Word. And you can write here for this subtitle. For example, I will write something new. Then I will start what is a computer. For example, I will write this paragraph and I will put it, paste it inside. Okay. You can continue for all the slides in the same way now. For example, you have several type of slide added here. Maybe you can use this one, or you can use this one. It's up to you. There are several templates that you can use to complete your lecture in the same way. If you don't need any of this slide, you can delete it. For example, I don't need this slide, I will delete it. Okay. I don't need this slide, will delete it. Maybe I don't need this slide, I will delete it and complete with the same template previously. Okay. Then it's up to you how you want to manage your slides. One thing that I have to tell you here, don't use any transition or animation in your PowerPoint file. Okay, don't use any transition or animation. No transition, no animation. Now, how to modify the number of slides? Slide numbering. You will come here. This is slide number 2. And what is the total of slide is 18. Then I will write 2/18. Slide number 2/18. This slide is number 3/18. It's very simple to put the slide numbering. This one is 4/18, etc. You can modify all the slide number. This is 5/18, and this is 6/18. Okay, you have to provide all the slide numbering in this way, and you save the file. I will save the file. When you finish, okay, filling all these slides, you will finish by a mind map. You will put your revise here, revision, and this is your conclusion for your lecture. You will add it, and if you have a glossary, if you don't have, you don't need, and at the end you will put the resources for this lecture. Okay, guys, you will put the resources for this lecture, and I have finished now my file. Okay, any question? Any question? How to use this template? How to use this template? Okay, it's very easy. It's very organized. All that you need is to fill in according to the title of the page. Okay.